Robert Farrell here. Hey, let me share with you why the average person fails with their Amazon affiliate associate store. Because they're trying to sell. You don't sell products by posting them on your social media. Let me share with you how thousands of my students earn with separate niche market Amazon stores. My average student has about 8 Amazon store sites with different niches and earns an average of $43 a day per site every single day. Simply click the banner ad, go to my website, and I will share with you step by step. I don't need your email address. I don't do webinars. I'm here to help you every step of the way how to earn and work smart online with Amazon by not selling one step at a time. Thanks for being here. Carpe Diem 2020. Click the banner ad if you're serious about earning with Amazon affiliate stores, and I will share with you my time-tested techniques. I've been in the online trenches for 25 years, so I'm here to help you every step of the way. But I assure you, nothing happens if you choose to do nothing. So click the banner ad, go watch my free videos, and if you decide to sign up for my turnkey Amazon stores, I have a $100 off bonus.